Hi.
Hey, sweetie. Welcome.
How are you?
You're back early today.
Yeah. How are you?
Yes.
Oh yeah, come in.
You did tell me you were coming back with somebody.
Yeah. She's the lady I told you about that picked my phone and my wallet.
Oh, yes, you said so.
You remember, right?
I remember.
Yeah.
You said so.
Please make yourself comfortable, okay? Sit.
Okay. Okay, bye. Well, my name is Sharon. Gloria.
Yeah. Gloria. Sharon here is my wife's best friend. Yeah, she normally comes around every weekend to help me do some house chores, you know. But now that you are around, she's here, the house is going to be lively. We're going to spend the weekend together. Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice one, right?
Oh, okay. Of course, nice to meet you. Can I have a word with you outside?
Sure. Come on.
1 minute, let me get my phone. Excuse us.
What is it that you want to tell me?
What were you thinking? How can you bring in a total stranger to spend the weekend in your house?
Hey, Sharon, come on. She's not a stranger. She's my friend. Okay? She's my friend and I don't see anything bad in that.
You don't see anything bad in bringing a total stranger, someone you barely know, into your house to spend the weekend? Come on.
I know you really do care about me, but trust me, she's a nice person. Yeah, she's a very nice person and you like her.
She cannot be nicer than your own blood sister, Mark, who poisoned my best friend, your late wife.
Please, next time we're talking, do not remind me of my wife being poisoned by my sister. Do not do that again. Please.
No, baby, I am so sorry, okay? I don't mean to upset you. I just that I am concerned about you. I lost a good friend, more like a sister, and I wouldn't want to lose you too.
See, nothing's going to happen to me, okay?
Okay.
I know you really do care about me.
Yeah.
But I'll be fine.
Okay. Are you sure?
I'll be fine.
She's so desperate. Why are you fighting for something that is not your own? Sharon, she's so desperate.
Yeah. Lori.
Where is she?
Oh, she's making call outside.
I hope there's no problem.
No, there's no problem. Come on, let me show you to your room. Come on.
Wait. Let me understand what you're saying. You mean Stanley brought another woman into the house? Yes, Chika. She's spending the weekend in his house. No, now this is not fair. This is so wrong. As if he was waiting for him to die so for him to bring him another woman. Eh? And the woman looks like a suspect. How do you mean? I don't understand. She looks like someone on a mission. Listen, Sharon, I don't think the woman is the problem here. I mean, if Stanley did not approach her, she would not just pack a load and come into a man's house that she barely knows, a man that she has no idea about. So what are you telling me? Chika, the important thing is that the woman is already here and something needs to be done. I thought you said you're still in his house, you're tidying up things.
Yes, as a matter of fact, I am still here.
Okay, very good. Very good. Just stay there and make sure you don't leave there for any reason. Let's see what that woman is up to.
Are you telling me? Don't worry. I go handle her. I'll handle it.
Hey, listen. That's when you're telling me that you have things under control. I know you. I know you. Be very careful. Huh? Don't do anything stupid. Don't create any sin.
Come on, Chica. Don't worry. I'll handle it peacefully. Hmm?
Okay, no problem. I'll see you tomorrow when I come.
Alright. Safe trip.
Be like say trouble now, be shy. When we stop it, oh, hey, others they like dele. You're on not to look for trouble. Wahala, baby, oh, have trouble now, I am. Hey, she's so desperate.
Yes, hello? Romeo, I've been calling your line since. You refuse picking my calls. No, listen. Calm down, listen. I'm not calling you because of that. Okay? No, not far from it. You have your right to live your life the way you want. Okay? Enjoy yourself. I am not angry. Romeo, calm down. In fact, Romeo, as a matter of fact, I am not interested in the relationship again. Yes. Let's just be friends. Let's just be friends, yes. Okay, so I was calling to tell you about your friend, Stanley. You see, Stanley brought in a stranger, a total stranger, to spend the weekend in his house. I need you to talk to him. Romeo, why are you laughing? This is not a laughing matter. Please, talk to your friend. It's not because of me. No! He's still mourning his wife. His wife is not even cold in the grave, and he brought in a total stranger into his house to spend the weekend. It's not fair. It is not right. Please, you need to come here as soon as possible and talk to him before things get out of hand. Yeah, I'm just looking out for my friend, my good friend.
She no get joy and love. She's fearless. She can do anything for the money. And always ready for trouble. Hey, she know that if your face so how I holla too much.
Oh, but Stanley, I'm not happy with you, right? How can you bring a girl you just met a few days ago into your house for a weekend? Do you think that is right?
You just said I look good, and she's behind it. Yeah.
Oh my God. Stanley, are you okay? I don't think you're okay, guy. Your wife is still in the mortuary. And you're here talking about love.
I never said anything about love. I never talked about love. I just said that she's the reason behind my looking good.
Then why do you bring her in? Why did you bring her into your house?
I brought her to my house because she's a good woman. She's intelligent. Yes, she's an inspiration. Every word that comes out from her mouth, I feel, it makes me feel good. And I always feel that I'm talking with Ibube. She talks like Ibube. Everything about her. See, knowing her has actually changed everything about me. And also a source of inspiration and strength to me. Yes.
Then what about Sharon?
Oh, that your girlfriend is out of control.
Guy, please don't call that girl my girlfriend. Sharon is no more my girlfriend. We're just friends.
Since when?
Oh, guy, you can't believe it. Sharon met me with Choma. You know Choma now? At my brother's compound. And she embarrassed the hell out of me. She's lucky my brother, Chizzy brother, is not there to meet her.
Oh, no wonder.
No wonder what?
Oh, sorry, I can handle it.
But this girl invited to spend the weekend in your house. Do you think you are doing the right thing?
I invited her for a purpose.
What purpose?
Yes. I invited her so Sharon's plan will not work.
What plan?
She's trying to seduce me.
Sharon is trying to seduce me. Then send her out of your house.
Send her out of my house?
Yes.
No, I'm not going to do that. Do you know why? I need to keep Glory in my house. So whenever Sharon feels that I'm giving Glory more attention, she will be forced to leave the house on her own.
I think you're right, bro. Really, I would like to meet this glory of a girl.
Trust me, you won't be disappointed.
Oh, okay.
Get me opener, please. Opener.
Oh.
Stop that rubbish. I want to talk to you. Okay. What is your mission here?
What mission are you talking about?
See this one? Pretender. Pretender! You think I don't know what you're up to? Eh? I know your mission here. And I promise you, that mission must fail. You should be ashamed of yourself. You met a man a few days ago and you're already in his house to spend the weekend. Ah! Is that how loose you are? Is that how cheap you are? I'm ashamed of you. Look at you. Look at you. Look at what are you here for? As his wife? His girlfriend, fiancé, or what? Since you came here, he has taken all the attention away from me and transferred it to you. My advice to you is to go elsewhere and get yourself a man, because you are pouring water into a basket. It will not work. Stanley is already taken. You see that your charm? That your 2 naira, 1 naira charm. It will fade very soon. It go fade. I mean, they tell you. It go fade. Rubbish.
Sharon, I don't know what you're insinuating. But whatever it is, just get it off your head. Mr. Stanley is just my friend. He's just a friend.
Oh, just a friend. Hey, they talk to JJC, Abi. Hey, I be Lagos girl. I know how far. I know how far, babe. Now class, they use enter dance. Eh? That thing where you know I pass you. You understand? Eh? I cut her, you cut her. My own don't turn dada. I know pass you. I know pass you. Listen, he's going through a lot right now. Allow him. Get out of this house. You are not welcomed.
I know what happened to him. Yes. But if you're a good observer, you will know that he's improving mentally and physically.
That is because I am here. Can't you see? I give him my time, attention, I counsel him. I make him feel good. You understand? He's no longer feeling abandoned or lonely because I'm here. So like I said before, your presence is doing nothing. You are not welcome. Get out! Come out!
Wow. You counsel him, you take care of him. Good for you. I'm happy that you're doing that. But the last time I checked, Mr. Stanley did not introduce you to me as his girlfriend. I don't know where all these are coming from. Like he said, and I quote, he is taken. From who? You,
You're very stupid. You are foolish. I give you just 2 hours. Pack your racks and get out of this house. Just 2 hours.
She's so desperate. Why are you fighting for something that is not your own? Sharon, she's so desperate. Wahala there body. Now which kind of person be this you? She no get joy at all. She's fearless. She can do anything for the money and always ready for trouble.
Who's this? Hello? Yes, who is this? Sharon. Which Sharon? Okay, Ebube's friend. Okay, I see. How did you get my contact? Okay, Ebube gave it to you during the marriage. Okay. My darling, I want to really appreciate you and your friend Cheka for your love and concern towards Ogechi. I spoke to her 2 days ago and she told me how caring you guys have been to her. Thank you very much. God bless you both. Thank you very much. God bless you. Yes, I'm listening. What? Which Stanley? My own son brought in another woman in his house. That she's there even now. I can't believe this. Stanley, my son, cannot do such. Okay. No problems. Yes, I've heard you. No problem. All right. Okay. Bye-bye. 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 Yes. What? Stanley.
Hello, Mama.
Stanley, I want to ask you something.
Okay.
Did you bring any stranger to your house?
Did anybody tell you that?
Just answer my question. Yes or no?
No, Mama, I did not.
Stanley, don't lie to me.
Mama, the only person I brought to the house was Glory. And Glory, it's just a friend I met some time ago and became friends and nothing more than friendship.
Can you listen to yourself? Huh? How can you bring somebody you barely know to your house? Stanley!
Mama, she's just a friend, like I told you. I met her some time ago and she's a nice person. And nothing more.
Okay. If you say so, no problem. But please, my son, you have to be very careful. Remember your sister Nwaka is still in jail for the crime she committed. I don't want to lose a son. Biko Nwam, please.
Don't worry, Mama, I'll be fine.
Okay, my son. We'll be expecting you. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Bye.
Ah, Sharon, I know this is your handwork.
She's so desperate. Why are you fighting for something that is not your own? Sharon, she's so desperate. Wahala dey her body. Now which kind person be this yo? She no get joy at all. No. She's fearless. She can do anything for the money.
Hello, ma. No, I don't think I'll be able to make the supply today. Why not on Tuesday morning? Will it be late? I do not have those supplements anymore. And I've sold them. But I can place an order for you. Yeah. Okay. On Tuesday. Oh, okay, I'll get it for you. Thank you.
Hey, take this your useless bag and get out of this house. Get out!
Madam, I'll call you back.
Sharon, what were you saying?
I said you should take this.
You were saying something?
Yes, no, yes, I mean, your bag is very beautiful. Your designer's bag. Please take it inside. Take the bag inside. Feel at home.
Sharon, what is wrong with this girl? Why is she behaving strange?
All this life, so many things are happening. All this life, I can't believe what is happening. That's why I say no one is to be trusted. And everybody is a suspect.
Sharon, what is it? Why this text?
I want that girl, whatever her name is, Glory, out of this house. She doesn't deserve to be here. Send her out.
Why? She's not a problem to anyone. Neither me. Why?
I don't understand. Why do you want her here? Come on, Stanley. Why are you like this? Since your wife, my best friend, passed away, I've been your support system. I'm always here with you. I clean for you. I cook for you. I tidy. I try to talk to you, to calm you down, to be with you always. What is in that girl that is not in me? Am I not beautiful? Don't you find me attractive?
Sharon, no one said...
Come on, look at me. Am I not beautiful enough?
You're beautiful. No one said you're not beautiful. You are.
Then what is she doing here? Why do you want her here?
Is it a bad thing to bring a friend to my house? Is anything wrong with that?
Well, she doesn't look like a good person. Yes. She has an evil agenda. There's something.
Something like what?
Something like some. You know what? My spirit just doesn't accept her. I mean, my spirit doesn't accept her. I mean.
Anyway, that should be my problem. Okay? Yeah. I am going to talk to both of you later.
No, don't bother. No need for that. Maybe because she just came, I'll try and get to know her. I mean, you know, understand her.
Good. It's good you do that. Okay? Can I see you? Can you come with me?
Yeah?
Yeah, come with me. After you.
All this life, so many things are happening. All this life, I can't believe what is happening.
Welcome to my house. Wow. Girl. Your house is beautiful. Thank you. Make yourself comfortable. Oh my God, Sharon, this is beautiful. We thank God for your safe arrival.
Yeah, what a stressful journey. And thank you so much for coming to pick me up.
Come on, Chica, you don't have to thank me. What are friends for?
Thank you. I mean it.
So how is your husband?
He's fine. He's okay. He's not back from travel yet. He just sent me to come look at some apartment that he saw online. But I'll do that on Monday. I'm very tired. I need to rest.
Oh, the house is yours. And I can't wait to have you in this city.
Me too. I can't wait to relocate. Trust me. It's just that there won't be so much fun how it used to be when Ebube was still alive.
I know.
Anyway, you said you wanted to tell me something. What is that?
Yes. It's about that babe. She's a witch.
The one that Stanley brought to the house?
Yes. She manifested right before me.
Wait, let me understand what you're saying. Did you see her in any strange act?
Yes. This morning, I was talking with her. All of a sudden, her face changed. Her face changed to a...
No one is to be trusted, and everybody is a suspect. So be careful who you give your trust, cause some friends can be your enemy. If any man knows, hey, egu anatozimo. If any man knows, wahala deo.
Sure. You're back. Yes, I'm back. Where is Stanley? He's in the salon. She must be Chica. Yes, Chica. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Wait a minute. I can't remember discussing my friend with you. How did you know her name? Tani told me that you both were best friends soon. And he said he wants to pick you. Sharon, are you okay? Chica, what's the show with her? I don't know, just excuse me, let me find out from her.
Romeo. No, I won't be available. I'll be traveling to the village by Friday next week. Yeah.
She's coming, no, she's coming. She's coming.
Oh, hold on, I'll call you back. I'll call you back.
She's coming.
Who's coming?
She's coming.
Who?
She's coming.
Oh, Chica.
No, it's not Chica. She's coming.
Who's coming?
Why did you just run away as if you saw something scary?
Didn't you see her? See what? You mean you didn't see her? Eh?
Oh, you mean Glory?
But didn't you see when she changed to...
Change to what?
Eh?
Yeah, change to what?
Oh, okay, never mind. I think I'm imagining things. I think my imagination is big.
Chica, please. Can I see? Come on.
You didn't see her? See her?
All this life, so many things are happening. All this life, I can't believe what is happening. That's why I say
Chica, please sit. Chica, see, I don't know why your friend is so stubborn. Yeah, I don't know why she is insisting on staying back when she has a visitor.
No, maybe she's just concerned about you. Don't get me wrong. I mean, house chores.
I know, but Glory can still do that. Better still, you can stay till Monday. Maybe both of you go together.
No, Stanley. I mean, I didn't plan to stay. I always plan myself. I'm sorry.
Are you sure you're going to be comfortable staying in Sharon's place alone?
Yeah, I will. As long as I have my phone with me and I have my favorite channels to watch, I'll be okay.
Okay, let me drop you off.
Thank you.
But do not worry, okay? I'll still try and find out from Glory because Sharon didn't say anything.
Oh, please do.
I'll wait.
Please.
Okay?
Okay. Thank you.
She's so desperate. Why are you fighting for something that is not your own? Sharon, she's so desperate. Wahala there body. Now which kind person be this yo? She no get joy at all. No. She's fearless. She can do anything for the money. Always ready for trouble.
Glory. You are manipulating me with your witchcraft so that I'll run away from this house. You lie. Glory, you are a big liar. If you think you're a witch, I will tell you that I am the queen of the coast. My head is strong as your own.
Hey, one day, one trouble, be like say trouble.
Sharon, please. Please, stop asking me whether I believe you or not. I only said I was there when you told me you ran out as if you saw something. You told me you saw her changing her face to Ebube. And if it's what you shared to me you're talking about, of course no. Of course I don't believe you. Because I was there and I didn't see her change into Ebube. I didn't say you imagine things. I never said so. Okay, you know what? Why don't you come here and let her do the chores? So when she leaves, you can go back to your house. Over your dead body. Okay. No problem. I won't say anything again about this issue. Just do what you want. Okay. Just be wise in your dealing with her. Alright. Bye-bye. Why am I having this strange feeling about Sharon and Gloria?
Good afternoon. Wetin come carry you come shop today? Because I know say you know they come work on Sundays. Where you they come from?
I was just passing and then I saw that the shop is open. I decided to stop by.
Wetin that happen now? Come and gist me now, my friend.
Ejiro, yes, I'm fine. Yes, I'm fine. But I'm broke. Obuna-san. You see this bag? Shisha-dere. My sister, it is everywhere. Even me too. I'm broke. You. I dey tell you, I'm broke. But no worry.
Like I dash you something. You don't say you're my girl.
Hey, Ejiro!
My girl.
I got you a good side.
No worry. Don't take this 1K.
1,000 naira.
1K.
Hey! Ejiro, thank you so much.
No wahala. You know
God bless you.
No wahala. Hey! 1,000 naira.
Where did they go? Come. Where did they go now? What?
You don't dey go?
I know.
Hey, you won't go. You say you need money and you won't go. You don't want to stay here hustle.
But you know, I don't normally come to shop on Sundays.
You think this 1,000 naira I give you now for nothing? You know they come work for Sundays, abi? No wahala. Give me the 1K.
Calm down.
Give me the 1K now.
Calm down. I've heard you. I will stay.
You will stay. Come on.
What is that?
This thing now.
Nothing. Please, thanks for you gave me this 1,000 naira. It should be enough for me.
No wahala.
Thank you.
Okay. Hello? Madam. What you talk? I dey hear you. What happen? You say who they threaten you? Madam. Send me address now. You dey hear me? Wait, who they threaten? Who be that person self? Send me address now. You know say I know the joke with you. Send me address now. I dey call. Yeah? No wahala. Hey, you waiting with that? Who they threaten our madam? I won't go meet madam. Where now? Where? Don't worry. I dey come. Are you leaving me here? Wait for me. I dey come. I no go waste time now. I dey come. Yeah? I will come stay here only me now. I dey come now. Till when? Just because of this 1,000 naira. If I wait for you till 5 p.m. and I don't see you, hey Jude, I'm going. I'm going.
She's so desperate. Why are you fighting for something that is not your own? Sharon, she's so desperate. Wahala there.
What's that? Go back to the DD post. She's here to see me. Go back.
Hey, madam, you just run from gate. Just they come inside. You don't even take permission from
Go back to your DT post.
Man, go back to the gate.
She's here to see me. Go.
Come on here.
Hey, thank God you're here.
Madam, what provoke you like this? What thing that happen now?
I want small girl like that. One small witch we no reach anywhere. She don't give me I drink water, keep cup for this house.
For this house?
I'm telling you. That's why I called you. Because I know what you can do. I know that you're a tigress like me.
Who she be, sef?
Combine our power and deal with her.
We go beat am today. Who she be?
Take her out of this
house. Who she be, sef? They born am well.
I trust you.
I no send anybody, Papa. Who she be, sef? Where she there? Where she come out? Yes. Who she be? I no send your Papa. Where she there, sef?
Oh, now you. What's all this drama for? What if Stanley comes in here and see you in this art? How will he feel?
And then shut down! Shut down!
See this one, oh.
Go sit down for poto. What are you waiting for? Why are you not changing? Which? Why are you not changing? Shebi used to change from one person to the other. From one person to the other. Why are you still standing straight? I change now. Wait. Can't you change again?
Madam, wait, so make I understand wetin dey happen here now. You mean to tell me say this madam wey dey here dey change? I do dey joke.
Which kind of joke? She's a witch. She's a witch. She changes from her original self to my late friend. Yes! But I want us to teach her a lesson. Let us tell her that we are from the queen of the coast. Me and you, both of us.
Both of us?
Yes.
Hey, madam. Wetin I do you? Wetin I do you now? Wetin I do you, madam? You mean to tell me say this person here, this madam here, they change? Now you can't call me. I come from shop, they run kitty kata. I come here. You can't say make I fight. Hey, madam.
Are you afraid?
No, wetin I do you?
Wait, you don't be tigress again? You don't get strength again?
Wait,
pursue this person come up for this house.
Madam, wetin they talk now?
Wait! Where are you going to? Come back here! What? You can go. One man's court. I'll face you squarely. Only me. I'll deal with you. I'll deal with you. Woman to woman. Come. Come.
Enough. Enough of all this. What wrong did I do that you had to do this to me? I will hunt you to death if you do not speak. Confess! Confess!
Excuse me.
I'll confess.
What is going on here?
I'll confess. I'll say the truth. I'll confess. Please tell her that I will confess. I'll say the truth.
You confess what? Sharon. Glory. What is going on here?
Mr. Stanley, I don't know what she's talking about. If you just need that, tell me I will confess. I don't know what she's talking about. Sharon, what is the problem?
I said I will confess. I'll say the truth. Allow me to say the truth.
Okay.
I want to confess. I want to say the truth, though.
Sharon, confess what? Okay, go ahead and say it. Say it.
Confess now!
Oh, I'm confessing, I'm on it, I'll confess.
Come on.
Why can your sister is innocent? I was the one that poisoned my late friend Ebube.
What?
I was the one that killed her. I'm sorry.
Sharon.
I'm sorry.
Hey!
I'm sorry.
Please, I want you to take very good care of yourself. And don't forget to take your drugs after eating your food.
Yes, ma'am. Ouch. I'm first, I'm coming. Just wait for me.
No, I can't wait for you. I need to go to the nearby junction to pick Chika.
So you want to go like that?
Yes, I want to go. Yes.
Okay, I'll see you later.
Come back soon. Okay.
I was angry. I was jealous that she took you away from me, the only man I ever loved. So I wanted to get back at her. I am so sorry. Even the brief relationship I had with Romeo, it was fake. You're the only one I love. I love you so much. I did it out of jealousy. Please forgive me. Please beg him to forgive me.
Hi! So you were this evil?
Oh my God, no, it's never said.
You killed my wife! Your best friend!
He didn't mean to.
Hi!
You are the devil, Sharon.
Hi!
You are the devil. How could you do this? Oh.
Hi!
I'm sorry.
Hi, Chimo. Where's my phone? Where's my phone?
Go and call the police. Call the police to arrest her.
For the sake of the love I have for you, don't call the
Love
police.
who dead! Love who dead! You are too! Give me all!
All this life, so many things are happening.
Please,
Madam, you are under arrest. Officer, take her room. This way. Move it, please.
Please go.
Madam, can you please move it? Move it, please. Move it.
Take heart.
Nothing is hidden under the sun. It must surely unveil. One day the truth will triumph. Hey. All this life, so many things are happening. All this life, I can't believe
Mr. Stanley.
Please just call me Stanley. Okay?
Okay, Stanley.
That sounds better. You see, I've been calling you for over 10 months now, and you're not picking your calls. I went to your place. No one knew where you are. Even your mother. How can you take such decision without letting me know?
I am answerable to no one, Stanley.
I know you are unanswerable to anyone. Yes, I know, but I keep coming here believing that someday that I'm going to set my eyes on you. Glory be to God that today I've seen you.
Stanley, what actually do you want from me? What do you want?
You want to know what I want from you? Please marry me. Please. No one, I've not met anyone who can be like you. Please marry me.
I can't marry you.
Please. Please marry me. Please. Don't say no to me.
I can't marry you. I can't. I'll be okay. I'll marry you.
Are you serious?
Yes, I'll marry you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. You've made me the happiest man on earth.
all this life, so many things are happening. All this life, I can't believe what is happening. That's why I say no one is to be trusted. Hey, everybody is a suspect, so be careful who you give your trust. Cause some friends can be your enemy. If any man knows, hey, eku anadozimo. If any man knows, wahala deo. If any man knows, eku anadozimo. If any man knows, wahala deo. But no matter what, nothing is hidden under the sun. It must surely unveil. One day the truth will triumph.